BSc second year, most important repeated question. Botany, paper first. Cereals and pulses are obtained from Poaceae and Papillonic. Option B is Solanaceae and Poaceae. Answer is Poaceae and Papillonic. Presence of perianth and trimerous flower are a feature of Poaceae and Liliaceae. Answer is Liliaceae. The wheat grain is fruit and gloom. Answer is fruit. Gloom is found in family Poaceae and Liliaceae. Answer is Poaceae. An example for secondary meristem is cork cambium and phloem. Answer is cork cambium. Histogen theory is proposed by Nageli and Haberland. Answer is Nageli. Primary growth involves the activity of phallogen या vascular cambium. Answer is vascular cambium. Which one has numerous adventitious root? Carrot, dahlia. The answer is dahlia. Stipules are modified into tendrils in Gallosa similex. Answer is similex. Phyllonoid is a modification of root petiole. Answer is petiole. Genera plantarum is the famous work of Lindley, Bentham and Hooker. Answer is Bentham and Hooker. Major शॉर्टकमिंग ऑफ बेनिथम एंड हुकर क्लासिफिकेशन इज. यहाँ शॉर्टकमिंग से हमारा मतलब डिमेरिट से है. तो नंबर ऑप्शन ए इज जिम्नोस्पर्म हैज़ बीन प्लेस्ड बिटवीन डाइकॉट एंड मोनोकॉट. मोनोकॉट डाइकॉट्स हैव बीन प्लेस्ड बिफोर मोनोकॉट. जिम्नोस्पर्म हैव प्लेस्ड बिटवीन डाइकॉट एंड मोनोकॉट. 5 kingdom arrangement of organism was proposed by John Ray and Whittaker. Answer is Whittaker. Taxon is a genus, a taxonomic category of any rank. Answer is a taxonomic category of any rank. The probish bodies are present in tapetal cells, pollen tube. Answer is tapetal cell. Polyambrony is exhibited by hibiscus and citrus. Answer is citrus. Species plantarum is famous work of Bentham and Hooker and Linus. Answer is Linus. Which type of inflorescence present in osmium plant? Spadix and verticillester. Answer is verticillester. In Cypress A, each microspore mother cell forms 8 microspore. Option B is 1 microspore. Answer is 1 microspore. Formation of fruits without fertilization of ovule is polyambrony or parthenocarpy. Parthenocarpy is the right answer. Anomalous secondary growth is seen in cucurbita stem and Dracena stem. Answer is Dracena stem. The new name of family Leguminosae. Apiaceae or Fabaceae. Answer is Fabaceae. Cork cambium is also called phloem or phallogen. Answer is phallogen. Early development of monocot and dicot embryos similar up to. Third stage, diad stage. Answer is globular stage. Lenticles are formed in bark which aerating pores vessel. Answer is aerating pores. Development of embryo from a cell of embryo sac other than egg cell called apogamy. Answer is apogamy. Polygonum type of embryo sac is 8 nucleate 7 celled या 10 nucleate 10 celled. Answer is 8 nucleate 7 celled. Which substance can be induced parthenocarpy? Auxin, ethylene. Answer is auxin. Apomix in plant means. Answer is development of new plant without meiosis and fertilization.